the damn thing off and then put a new thing on. Wait, Jay, that's
Right?
Chad, we're good, Mario. We're good.
Just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with the view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true.
Everything. Manfield bench, Japan. So what are we changing out over here there?
So, this is our friend Morgan. He's in the crew.
Yep.
Basically, we're just switching the exhaust out for something that is a little quieter, but basically it has a valve tronic. Like as you can see here, this is a TOMEI titanium. It's a really cool exhaust, but it's really loud, and it doesn't have the factory valve. So this new exhaust has the unit. I have to put the unit on there, but it has a valve. So basically, no exhaust flows out of here. The exhaust only flows out of here, and these are both baffled differently. This one is a lot louder than this one.
Okay.
It's hard. I don't know if it's. I don't think you can really tell because it's all on the inside. But
yeah.
basically,
It's
valve
inside,
clicks.
yeah.
Yeah, valve clicks, and then the exhaust is able to flow through both,
okay.
and it's a lot louder on this side. So that's he kind of wanted to be able to do that like loud, quiet thing.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, and we sold this one to a local guy, so we're gonna take this thing down and put the new one up.
Okay, cool.
Gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time can
Already got the TOMEI off.
I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like
Got this piece up already. So it's just a slide on and clamp. Bolt right there. Slide on and clamp. So we're gonna be attaching the rear piece next. I'll show you guys that in a second. Yo, Chad, what's going on up there?
We hung up the Supra exhaust. So
The stock one?
the stock one.
Was that your idea, Morgan?
It's like it's wall art.
I know, it does look like an art piece. Just not manual bent, so it's kind of abstract.
He's got to grab the valve part.
The valve part?
The electronic valve, yeah.
Okay, let me zoom in.
I put it all the way up here and forgot it.
Someone told me throw that away.
Throw it away?
No, someone told me throw it away. Lucky I kept it, huh?
Oh,
You know who told him to throw it away? Chad.
No, Morgan told me, he says, I don't know what I want to do with it. And I'm like, well,
Hey,
someone's like,
is
hanging
that
on
a
the
cat? Is that money right there?
no, that's just a muffler.
No, screw that.
I sold that part.
Oh, for real? How much you got?
$2,000.
Oh, $2,000?
Yeah.
Damn, there's a
It's like 1400.
bunch of jewels in there.
needed this off of it.
Yeah.
Throw it away.
Okay. We're gonna read instruction. Dropping that valve on there for the twisty, lolly. Looks like lined up, yeah. It's like spring loaded.
It's like a springlet, yeah. Oh, there it goes, just like that, yeah.
Right in there.
I don't think it utilizes this because this
cover?
doesn't fit, yeah. No, this is its own new cover, basically. I guess.
Let me throw this here real quick. As he could just explain to you, this thing came off easy. It was off, slide on and clamp, go top.
Put the damn thing off and then put a new thing on.
Go.
Full titanium.
Go.
Okay, we took this off. It was very loud. The end.
No.
Okay. All
We
right.
had a lot of weight,
Yeah.
or lots of weight.
All right. We took this off. It's very light, but also very loud. And Morgan wasn't feeling it, and neither were my neighbors. Because me and Morgan are roommates. And we're gonna switch over to this.
This one. It's basically just a slip on
Stainless.
and clamp, right?
Yeah, this is a slip-on and clamp. So is this style, slip-on and clamp. But this one's got that little nice feature over there.
Oh yeah?
Keep it a little quieter. And bada bing, bada boom.
Slow-mo, hold on.
Morgan, what you doing, Morgan? You heard about the goblin exhaust?
The what?
The goblin exhaust?
The gobble? Like the gobble.
Wait, Jay, you
gobble,
gotta do
gobble.
You do yours first, then I'll do mine.
Goblin.
Oh.
Oh shit, sorry.
Don't scratch it, dude. Mint.
Well, I'm letting him do his first.
That's Midas.
Dragon, bro.
Yeah, the Midas muffler, dude. You got it whole?
No.
Oh, it's right there. Let me get a GoPro. Get that GoPro action.
Why don't you leave this here and you try to get on him first?
There we go.
Oh, yeah,
There we
I
go.
want him to put that in first.
Yeah, y'all using all the James go home. He got no energy, bro. You're using the last Aussie energy.
Oh,
Exhaust hanger.
full exhaust. HKS, brother. Yeah, go look at that. That one's gonna be. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, we're gonna need it. Is that one in all the way?
No. This is pretty good.
We got a lube on this thing.
Oh shit.
We gotta get a lube. We gotta get some lube on this thing.
Close your eyes. No.
Chad, take that one off there.
What do you
That
mean?
one's going to be hard to put on.
They're both
See
gonna
how
be hard.
long it is?
Wait, try to go. This one's gotta go all the way in though. That's why.
Oh, okay. I see. That's pretty. Oh, yeah.
See,
Perfect.
Oh dang, went right in.
Perfect, Chad.
This thing is hard. This thing's harder.
No.
Back to put in.
Come on, dude, you can do it. Let's go. You got it. Ah, there it is.
At least this exhaust is like
It's not like the other one where
one
it's like.
piece. Yeah, and all I can do is slide it left. And
Yeah,
right.
because like this, like, if it doesn't line up,
it's there.
it's gonna be.
No, not returning, right? The big HKS.
Alright, Morgan, just go here and hold both.
Getting that thing slipped on, then clamp.
Yep.
13.
13?
Really want to do.
Pretty simple. I like it. Picasso.
Right?
That was really simple.
So, I know.
Alright, now we're gonna do all the adjustments.
All adjustments, and that's it, right? Basically, like,
So like, yeah, like see how this, I'm gonna adjust this, keep this up, tighten all that up there, so
so
everything's loose, the whole exhaust. So now I'm gonna do,
oh, there's no like clamps? There's
there's
nothing.
that, but you see all these are all loose. This is loose up here too. So now I'm gonna get it where I want it and make the last tighten. That's how I usually do every exhaust. I leave it really loose so that you wanna make sure that the ends, the tips, get into a spot where it looks good
Looks
on
good.
your car.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Poke it out actually like goes up.
Well, yeah, it looks kind of. This is kind.
Lower.
Once you set it, it's not gonna. When you do a bunk, it's not gonna like. Okay.
Oh, that's
That's
good.
that ain't not worth my use.
That's good. No, what do you mean? That's good, no?
All plugged up, ready to go.
Yeah, that one.
Pretty
That one-
easy.
that one was hard.
That's it.
That one took me how
Real
many
quick.
hours?
Startup time.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the real test. We're gonna turn it on now, listen to it, and test the little valve business. You know the valve business, open and close. Let's go. Thank you, HKS.
Ah, balls.
Oh yeah, this one is sticking out way. Look at that. HKS way out. That one way in. What's that? That's a tuck? You want it to come out some more. You want it out like that, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, let's pull it out. That's how I do it.
How do you pull it out?
Look back up, Chad.
You know how you just want to raise it out. Come on.
No, I'm saying no, because watch when you go underneath. And it's
Okay, okay.
Chad, look at it.
He's trying to. He's underestimating HKS, man. HKS, don't worry about it.
no, because you know what it might be? It's carbon fiber diffuser.
No, I'm
Actually, it
on.
might be because I'm at.
Oh, hold on. Let's measure the diffuser. You mean from here to here?
You remember this corner's out, right?
Yeah, that might be why it's doing that.
Any better?
No,
No.
Still in. It's still in.
It's still in.
So it's like
Think about it,
an inch. Like an inch.
The next car show we go to, you'll be like,
No, but that's pushing the wrong side out, isn't it?
no, switch them both out.
This one's at the same spot, dude. Let me see.
This has got to go all the way in. Right? This one's got to go. This has got to go all the way.
See, folks. Just when you think it's peace and safety, guess what? Sudden destruction.
Destruction. Destruction, my youth.
And then this.
Getting everything loosed up again so we can adjust.
Oh, you can see the valve.
Yep, right there.
Does it look any different?
Whoops.
Like, oh, this side's out farther than that side now.
No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yo, that's it right there. Hold on, stop.
Pull and hold.
Wait. Yeah, right there. That's it.
Nice.
No, because this one's in now. See, because it goes like this, back and forth.
Oh, so find them.
You have to find a
We're gonna do
happy
both at the same
medium.
time. You gotta put that down. I gotta pull this one side, you gotta pull the other side.
Okay.
No, then let's pull this side a little bit more.
Wait, so we're pulling this side out?
Yeah, pull this side out of it.
I can't pull. I'm hooked camera.
How about now?
Yeah, perfect, man. Yeah, bring it down.
He's like, whatever.
It looks pretty perfect.
He's like, I shouldn't have said that.
No, that's too far out.
Too far out? Oh, it's great. You got the HKS on the top too now.
Yeah, but this one's not that far out as that one.
No, it's actually okay, dude. Bring it down a little bit.
Actually, that's good.
Yeah,
It's not.
That's good.
it's good. The owner said it's good. It's good,
Better
man.
than it was.
What we do here is go back.
It's gonna turn sport.
Cold start on that. So one's open, one's closed. Then open it up, check. Open it up.
It's not. I don't know. It's just not open.
Open it up right now. It's closed.
Wait till they. Hold on, give it like 5 seconds. Give it a second.
There it is. Just opened up. It just opened up. Right here.
Yep.
Just opened up. Yeah. It's crazy. Yeah. Way quiet. That's way better. Yep.
Ready and sport? Yeah, it's 2 different sounds. You hear it? Okay. Not sport. You hear the difference? Oh, look, listen. All right, ready? I'll do 3 in regular and then 3 in sport. So watch. This is regular.
Yeah, I heard the difference. Yeah. Sounds like we didn't hear nothing.
That's better. Okay,
That's
we
it?
gotta do a rip though. It's
That's
two
it?
different sounds.
And we're gonna do a rip on the street. Give him a follow. Jack, start up. Take it for a test run real quick test run. I mean, a sound run. Take it for a sound run. You're good. I'm on the bright light. Let me see if I can.
It's gone quiet mode right now.
Quiet mode.
I don't know what quiet mode is, but
It's really quiet. You can hardly hear it. Yeah, do a little rip with quiet mode and then just do a little rip in. Yeah, me out. Yo, this thing ain't got no Jesus bar, man, you. What's down here? listen. Now let's open it up. Why? It's open now?
Yeah, it's open now.
Okay. Chad, we're good, Mario. We're good. Alright, Chad, chill. Oh. Alright. What's up with the dog and the cat, Mario? it's still modest compared to the other exhaust, right?
It's not, dude. Yeah, the other one was ear piercing loud.
Yeah.
And then look, you hear
It's like
you
quiet.
hear that rumble. And then,
Who's that?
you hear that ripping?
Yeah.
Ready? Rumble. You hear a little. Hold on, it's hard to hear, but
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
you hear a little rumble,
It's way quieter than
and then
because the other exhaust is all titanium,
yeah, that's why.
and this is not titanium right now.
Yeah, this is just you smell that new exhaust smell.
You right? Yeah, it's a real. When you shut it off, it's a rattle. Like something is ding on something. Alright, folks, let's subscribe. That's how this thing sounds. Pretty good. HKS for the win. But if you really want the loud sound and not really obnoxious, but you know, you get the titanium. Peace. Tell them to like, subscribe, bro.
Like, subscribe, follow the Warthog.
Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6.